Hello, my name is Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Oblivion. No, I mean Skyrim. Now, I sort of forget what we're doing. Yeah. Since I played last, I advanced a bit on my own, and now I joined the Imperials rather than the racist Stormcloaks, so I gotta meet the Imperials at Fort Gustav. I'm using auto move, and I know I'm a pussy, but I just get freaked out when there's attacks on me. I'm using auto move now, so I can move and just use the mouse to look around. Okay, here I go. Hey, come back, guys. I'm on Bloodshed 2. I want to spill blood too. Okay. Oh.
Don't even think about it.
Hey there. Can you believe this place? Guess anyway, I'm glad you're here. But there's a great...
What's the plan?
It leads straight into the prison. I need you. We'll stand guard out here and then rush in as soon as we hear fighting. You should wait until nightfall before trying to sneak in. Call us preserve you.
I go straight through the front door. Super sneaky, eh? Oh yeah. I'm confident in my own awesomeness that they'll say, "Oh, here comes Mr. Awesome. Make way for him." And they'll get out of my way. That's what I hope.
You're trespassing here. Let it clear out.
Who said that?
This is your last warning. Get away from there, or else.
Oh, I have a spell for this. I call it my fuck you spell. Where is it now? Yeah, here it is. Okay. I want my health to go up, and I want my stop it, Sean. My one-handed. I want to dual wield. Yeah. I also activated all spells. So, oh, there he is. There he is. Hello, cuties. No.
One of the sons of Skyrim.
Hello everyone, my name is Sean and I'm about to kill you all. I actually want to use my bow. Oh. I'm coming for you. That's awesome. I need him in a stomach with my shield and oh hey ah. There you are. Are you with me? Awesome. Down I go. In I go. Prison. Prison. Hello, does anybody wanna die in here? No? Okay. Spoil my fun, why don't you? Hello. Hello, everyone. I'm gonna kill you. Hello, 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 mate.
Hurry. Get me out. Thanks.
These locks were set by retards. Oh.
All right, God has the key. Last but not least, let's go.
Kiv! Aww. That's it? Aww, I wanted to kill more people. This sucks.
Keep your guard up. What's the plan?
I don't know. Go.
Stay sharp. Keep an eye out for trouble. It's only a matter of time. Great work. Get back and report our success. I'll stay here and clean up the mess. Glad you were here. Couldn't have done it without you.
No, 'cause you're useless. General Tullius. General Tullius. General
I'm a
Tullius.
little busy at the moment. I've got all sorts going.
Did I?
I may look
Really? Awesome.
God might get nervous. A man approaches with his weapon drawn.
If it's arms or armor you need, see Baron and Castledown. Very good blacksmith, that one.
Now that we have Winterhold, I can garrison some troops there until I'm ready to march on Windhelm. I have come On behalf, congratulations. You've little time to glory in your account. We're gathering our final assault on Windhelm. Report to our camp in Eastmarch.
Aww.
We will oust Alfred
Aww.
Windhelm soon enough. And when
Oh.
we do...
No. Shut up, Sean.
Citizen.
Blast me. Where do I go? Over there.
Those rebels think they can best us.
Hello. Oh, crap. Another dragon. Okay. Where are you? Where are you?
It's so long since I killed the storm.
Oh.
My sword was getting flabby.
Something to report? Your objective is the enemy-held fort. Meet the soldiers preparing for the attack. Then join them and wipe... Well, soldier, are you up to the task? I knew I could count on you, soldier.
For Amal, where do they get these names? Okay. Where is it? Come on. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'll be super sneaky. They won't even know I'm coming. Okay.
Yeah.
Owie. Wait, no. Oh shit, this is a bad idea. Oh no, okay. Bush! Shut up, Sean. Oh. Here I go.
The mercy of Stendar does not. You speak to a vigilant of Stendar. Report with any Daedra, and we.
You're a vigilant of
Our order was
Stendar?
founded after the Oblivion Pride. We're quartered in the Hall of the Vigilant. Keeper Karset heads Skyrim. He is the god of mercy. We bring his compassion where none can be found, by cleansing all those who would offend his children.
For the mole. Oh, I didn't notice. This calls for no. This calls for firestorm. Burn, baby, burn. I know. Conjuration. Conjure Grimoire. That's it. I'm getting the lightning. Yeah. Okay. I now have 2 magic. You are weak. Yay. Okay. No. Sure, no. Oh, you actually... La-di-da. I'd better sheath my magic. Sheath.
Good job. I knew I gave the mission to the right person.
Of course you did.
We're taking the city. Meet the soldiers gathering for the attack. Move it!
General Tullius, where are you? Oh, there. Okay. I better get armed with weapons. I always liked this because it sets people on fire. Oh, hello. something big's happening.
Alright, it's time to deliver the final blow to the Stormcloak Rebellion. You have all fought bravely and sacrificed much to bring us to this point. Behind the walls of his castle. But we will fight our way in and drag him out through the rubble to face justice. Because this is the end for them. The Stormcloaks will fight like cornered rats. They will be fierce and crafty. But they are no match for Legionnaires. You are the best and the brightest warriors in Tamriel.
Of course we are. Why are
Devastating. The Emperor will be paying close attention to what happens here today. Men who defeat
close attention to what happens here today?
ready now. Everyone with me.
Yeah, shut up, I wanna kill. This guy is awesome. Finish him. Finish him. I'm a coward, I have God mode on, but, you know, whatever. This guy's badass. Thank you. Hello. I want people to feel my blade. Hello, peekaboo. Shut up, Sean. It's not time for peekaboo. Ow! Who's doing that? You. Aha. Oh, it's quiet. What happened? What happened, man? Ah.
Already done, sir.
Alfred Stormwalk. You are guilty of insurrection, murder of Imperial citizens, the assassination of King Corey, and high treason against the Empire. It's over.
Not while I'm still breathing.
Step aside, Galvar. We're here to accept Ulfric's surrender.
I'll never surrender Skyrim to the hands of the dying Empire.
Skyrim doesn't belong to you, Ulfric.
Just say the word.
Enough! You are traitors and will die traitors' deaths. Stand down and face public execution, or advance and face summary execution by my hand. It matters little to me. Either way, I'll be sending your heads back to Cyrodiil.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Any last requests before I send you to wherever you people go when you die?
Sovereign, sir.
Right. Well?
Let the Dragonborn be the one to do it. It'll make for a better song.
Song or not, I just want it done. Well, I'm not quite done myself. What was that, Blake?
Nothing. Just saying goodbye.
Well, the men will be expecting some kind of speed. Oh, and Leggett, it's been an honor to have you at my side, as a token of my appreciation. The Legion will be staying here for quite some time. I don't expect there to be any further violence. The fiercest of the remaining rebels will continue to harass us, but by and large, the people here desire peace. What I'm not so sure about is the peace we've made with the Thalmor. But we'll keep that between the two of us, all right? You're dismissed.
Ow.
A spike on the walls of the Imperial City. Let this day be a final warning to all who will still call themselves Stormcloaks. We are turning the city over to Rogal Freewinter, an honorable and faithful man. Many of you will be staying in Windhelm to aid the Jarl in restoring order and stamping out any embers of rebellion that may still smolder here. I am proud of all of you. All hail the Emperor! All hail his legionnaires!
I hate giving speeches.
It wasn't so bad.
I hope we haven't just created a partner.
There's bound to be resistance. There are many Stormcloak camps tucked away in the hills. They'll no doubt strike whenever and wherever they can. But without Ulfric to inflame their passions, they'll settle down and return to their homes eventually.
I pray you're right, Lily. In the meantime, we'll continue to root them out and put them to the sword. We couldn't have done this without you. The Empire glories in your accomplishments. Conrica, there's still much to be done.
When we destroy the rebellion, perhaps the Falcon will call off their damn inquisitions. It's just making things worse.
Yeah.
I want to start the barbecue. Oh, very nice. What is this?
I'm recording.
Shit, I need to know about dinner. You want 2 millions with sausages? Or 1 million and just loose sausage? Or do you want 2 millions with sausages? Do you want nickel bacon and pork and beef? Or do you want nickel bacon and mountain?
Nickel bacon and
pork and beef. There's only pork and beef for you. Or unless you want mild Italian, then I can have.
no. Sorry about that. It was my mother who just came in. Because I'm having sausages tonight. Stop that! Not those type of sausages. Good Lord. Okay, so I'm done. Hard to believe. While this is it for this episode, and what an episode. One of the main quests in Skyrim I just finished. So that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 5 days a week. I get weekends off except for when November 30th hits, which will be the start of my winter schedule. I don't know what that'll mean yet, but I'll let you know. Twitter and Instagram is in the description. Hit like if you liked it. And deep breath. Goodbye.